A year ago, my click-through rate was 7%, and now it's over 11%. And that's because I use a 5-step thumbnail process that saves me so much time. It's making my thumbnails work a lot better, so I'm gonna share it with you so you can do it too. MrBeast literally spends up to $10,000 for one thumbnail. He says every thumbnail should have these 3 elements: simple, colorful, and visual, which I definitely agree with, but that's very vague. It's like, well, duh. First tip for your thumbnails: don't take photos, take videos. Thumbnail shots. This is my good side. So when I'm picking a thumbnail image, I'm always picking from a moving video and I'm just posing, because it's a lot easier to get 10 great shots from a 20-second posing video than it is to take 10 photos and hope that they turn out well. Just keep posing every second and then you'll get good shots. This is a Final Cut tip. Once you bring your video into Final Cut Pro, turn on skimming so you can kind of skim through your footage and see which frames might work, and pause when you see a moment you like. Then hit File, Share, Save Current Frame, and it'll save the frame that you're on. And you can do that over and over again for however many photos you want to have as options. This is gonna give you way more options and it's gonna be way less pressure. Next, we're gonna go to Canva. You wanna keep a master document of all of your thumbnails, not only so you can reuse elements, colors, fonts, text, and it just makes everything a lot easier, because then you can make thumbnails faster and anything faster because you've got kind of a consistent theme. A good thumbnail does not need to take hours. Some of the ones that I throw together in 5 minutes gets the most clicks. Before you upload the thumbnail, just get some feedback first. If you don't have a real person around you, sometimes it's my husband, my kids, but if there's no one around me, I'll use ChatGPT and I'll just say which one gets the most clicks. This happens very often where I will show someone my thumbnail and then they will suggest like a teeny little tweak and it changes the whole thing and it makes it so much better. Run it by somebody, bring other people into the creative process, because I promise you it'll just make the video better. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite tip, or do you have any tips for people? Leave them below. Thank you for being engaging in the comments, because that really makes a big difference for other people looking for solutions. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Also, I make videos every 2 weeks on everything video editing, so if you like that, subscribe, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.